This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. Newly elected members of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council will take oath today. The Deputy Commissioner of West Garo Hills District, Singh, will preside over the first session of the council and administer the oaths to the members. Meanwhile, the election of new chairman of the council will be held on Wednesday. The NPP-led Garo Hills Democratic Coalition has staked claim to form the new executive committee. The coalition has a thin majority of 15 members out of 29 members. The state BJP, which has 2 members in the council, alleged that the NPP has misled the governor in connection with the claiming of majority in the council. Tura MDC Bernard Marak said that according to a court order passed in the year 2000, the minimum number for having a majority in GHADC is 17 members. The BJP will meet the governor to apprise the matter today afternoon. The centre has written to states and union territories to ensure that movement restriction imposed by them for COVID-19 control does not adversely impact the vaccination exercise. Additional Secretary in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Manohar Agnani, has written a letter to Additional Chief Secretary, Principal Secretary and Secretary of all states and UTs advising that COVID-19 vaccination services should not be affected by COVID-19 curfews and lockdowns and the movement of beneficiaries to and from COVID-19 vaccination centers. Vaccination services should be provided in a separate building or block in these hospitals that is distinctly separated from the building where management of COVID-19 patients is being done. This will ensure that beneficiaries of vaccination are not inadvertently exposed to COVID-19 at these hospitals. The Health Ministry said that 162 pressure swing adsorption oxygen plants have been sanctioned by Government of India for installation in public health facilities in all states, and these will augment medical oxygen capacity by over 154 metric tons. The Health Ministry said states have appreciated the installation of PSA oxygen plants in their public health facilities. It said, in addition to 162 plants already sanctioned, they have requested the Government of India for more than 100 such additional plants which are also being sanctioned. Out of 162 PSA oxygen plants, 33 have been installed. In Meghalaya, the Raj Bhavan has moved the Director General of Police for registration of FIR against fake Twitter account holders impersonating as the Governor of the state, Satyapal Malik. A letter written to the DGP by the Secretary to the Governor of Meghalaya said that all fake Twitter accounts in the name of the Governor were listed and they were posting derogatory and offensive materials which are prejudicial to the high office of Governor of Meghalaya and which in no way reflect his views. In Meghalaya, another COVID-19 related death was reported in East Khasi Hills district yesterday, taking the total number of fatalities in the state to 153. Directorate of Health Services informed that 73 new cases were reported yesterday from different parts of the state, while 41 recoveries were also registered, bringing the total number of recovered cases to 14,038. With 73 new cases, the total active cases in Meghalaya stands at 680. So far, the confirmed cases have gone up to 14,871. In Manipur, the rate of positivity of COVID-19 has increased, with 72 new COVID-19 positive cases reported in the state in the past 24 hours, raising the total positive cases to 29,721. As many as 1,195 samples were tested for COVID-19. Till date, 5,93,783 samples were tested for the virus in Manipur. Among the 72 new cases, 51 persons are from the general population, while 21 are personnel from the Central Armed Police Force. Meanwhile, 7 COVID-19 patients have been discharged. The total number of recovered cases is 29,090 persons. No death case due to COVID-19 was reported in the past 24 hours. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.